Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create or remove user accounts on Predator 17. In order to do that, you should simply go into the settings, and in the settings go to accounts, then find other users, family and other users, then click on add someone else to this PC, and at first it'll show you the Microsoft account screen, which I'm not gonna do because I don't really know the credentials of that person. So what you can do is click on I don't have this person's sign-in information, and then click on add a user without a Microsoft account, and if they really want they can log in themselves later to the Microsoft account, but it's just not mandatory. Enter the name, then I'd highly recommend entering a password as well, especially if you're gonna make that user an administrator. Then, if you enter the password, you need to set 3 security questions, and it's very important for you to answer them truthfully, because if you don't do that, then you may forget the answers. And if you forget the answers, then the password will be unrecoverable. So I'm just gonna set that up. And now the account is created. If you click on it, you can change account type to administrator or remove the account. Now I'm gonna show 2 methods to re-log in. The first one is while you're logged in to another account, just click on the start button, click on your account right here, and select the other user. Now enter its password if it has one. And for the first login, you may need to wait a moment until it sets everything up. Now answer a few questions. Make sure to answer them actually based on your preference, because it's pretty important to have everything personalized and customized to have your experience the best. And now we're in. If you want to re-log in from the lock screen, first lock the screen, which you can do by simply pressing on Windows key and L on your keyboard. You can see it locks the screen. Swipe up. And to change the user account, find it in the bottom left corner. Enter the correct password, and it's basically done. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.